Good morning, everybody. It's Junior Peter Scientist, and we just about to better ourselves. Lately I've been feeling real weird, with not having a job and constantly practicing and applying and all the rejections. So today we're just gonna focus on. I mean, we're still gonna focus on coding and getting better, but we're just gonna focus on like the overall health. I'm just trying to feel better overall, so that not having a job doesn't take that much of a toll on me. So yeah, I'm about to cook and I'm about to go to the gym and work out, come back home, code, and apply to some jobs. And yeah, but before we do that, we gotta take some creatine. I probably can't tell because I just kind of sit down with like a shirt on. But I've been getting a lot bigger. And 2 days ago, I went to the doctor and she said, well, I asked her if I should gain or lose. She said, technically, you should lose. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to start losing weight. So that's why I'm about to cook and make my own breakfast. I actually have to go grocery shopping today. I completely forgot that too. But yeah, I'm at like 193 right now, and I'm going to finish out the way that I have been training up until today. And next week I'm going to start with like a more cardio intense training plan, and track my calories, cook more, get better at cooking, and just hopefully feel better overall. Because I have been working out, but I haven't been eating great, like at all. So now, when I say cook, I'm not about to do anything extravagant. I'm literally just doing 3 eggs. It's gonna be easy to track too. So, but yeah, I'm really just about to scramble some eggs. I think it's a good way to get you know, nice little protein in while I don't have groceries. Uh, because tomorrow is when I'll actually get to be cooking an actual meal for breakfast, lunch, and bringing my lunch to work and trying to maintain, not even maintain, like actually legitimately lose weight. Like I'm trying to lose weight, not like a lot. Like, well, I mean, I guess going to like 175 is a lot, but um, I don't really see it as a lot. Like I feel like I went from 175 to 190 pretty easily, but which is crazy because it actually took me a really long time to gain a lot of weight. So yeah, it's kind of crazy to think about. I think this isn't that bad, but anyway, I've been trying to work on my productivity a lot, or I've been planning to work on my productivity a lot. So a couple of things that I'm have started trying slash will actually take more seriously is limiting my social media. I actually want to limit my social media a lot, but I also want to schedule out my days because I've been off for 5 days a week, and even when I work 5 hours in those days. So like I'm literally only getting like 10 hours a week. That's why I say like I identify as unemployed because I'm not really working a lot, and the work that I am doing is in my preferred field. Uh, and it's minimum wage. I'm just here, so I'm not getting any checks. But with scheduling my time, at least I'm not going to work every time feeling like I'm not doing enough to get a job. So that's why I'm planning out the time where I am scheduling. I mean, not scheduling. I am applying to jobs. I'm scheduling out a time where I am doing leak code. I'm scheduling out a time where I'm still being able to go to the gym because I don't want to feel like I'm lacking in any of these areas. And so far, it has been working. Planning out a time to do the thing that you want to do is really good, and it has been working. Like I do go to work and I do think, wow, I really want to go lead code right now, but at least I have done it so far. So yeah, that's what I've been working towards and have actually been doing. So okay, just finished my eggs. Those were good. About to take some pre-workout and head into the JIM where I'm about to have a nice back workout. I think last time I recorded on my channel because I had a plan to actually do a vlog before, which was like the last thing that y'all seen where I was in the gym. But I didn't stick to it. So trying again. And I think last time that I did work out, it was back day that day also. So yeah, and I'm also still following that same routine until next week. So yeah, we're going in. It's gonna be back day. Pre-workout be making me feel a little amped. So I don't take it every day though, because it has a lot of caffeine in it. But I do take it a reasonable amount, whatever that reasonable amount is. Let's do this. Whoa, yeah, gym.
Never feel love. Sometimes I feel so unwanted. Sometimes I feel like a dumbass. Sometimes wonder where my gun at. I find a girl and I charm her and she still don't want me. I never rhyme. I fell in love with my pain. Think about her all the time. Lucy and Brain. I'm separated from her, but she was never mine. I'm so alone. I have nobody to talk to. I hit decline on my phone. I'm finally grown. I buy lick for me to feel. Never feel it when I'm gone. Wait 2 more months. I'ma feel like I'm in space. My main ain't got no taste, feel like a waste. I'm always mad at my songs, then fake a smile in your face.
Okay, I am back and all showered up after the workout, and I am about to do some leak code. Well, one problem, I actually didn't do this problem, so I'm going to spend 30 minutes trying to solve it. If I can't solve it by 30 minutes, then I'm going to have to just look at the solution and document the solution and move on and do some other problems, try to solve those, and then after a while come back to this one. That's what I've been doing. I'm setting my timer for 30 minutes. But yeah. But the main reason I've been like I'm doing this like vlog-ish type of thing is so that one, I can post more content and not just go 2 weeks without posting again, and two, kind of just talk about what's going on in my head, because I have like a lot of thoughts and I'd just be telling, my peers, and I don't think they want to hear that, and y'all might not want to hear it either, but if you don't, you can just click off, and if you do, you can just stay on. And I think a lot of what I'm going through, a lot of other people are going through, so it could probably help, because being unemployed and finishing your degree during this time is very hard, and you aren't alone. But what you shouldn't do is stay in the house and A, not do anything, and B, do stuff coding related and only apply and just stay in, and just be in the house. Like, get outside. Remember to try to better yourself. My goal is, when I do get a job, not take that as look at that as the perfect time to actually start focusing on my health. That way I could actually still go all in on my job and get promoted with, just keep getting better and keep getting promoted, rather than saying, oh yes, I finally did it, now I can probably let go of the gas a little bit and start focusing on all these other things that I wanted to do. Because there are a lot of things I want to do. I want to learn Spanish. I want to learn how to play guitar, and I want to get better at coding. Really, it's just those 3 things. But yeah, I don't want to have start focusing on those once the job is had. So that's why I'm just trying to focus on that now. I haven't started the guitar thing at all though, but we're not focused on that right now. Right now, we're doing another linked list problem. I've been really focused on these linked lists. I haven't solved this one yet. I think I said that already, but can you see this clearly a little bigger? Yeah, that's good. So, remove nth node from the end of the list. I forgot it was from the end of the list. So I have looked at this, but I haven't finished. I haven't done it. So, given the head of a linked list, remove nth node from the end of the list and return its head. So, the first thing that I'm going to think about, I wish I could mirror my iPad from this, but I don't think, I haven't figured it out. I'm on Linux, but I don't care. I'm starting my 30 minutes now, so here we go. As you can see, it says from the end of the list. So this is 2, 1, 2, we're removing 4. So yeah, and this is 1, 2, 3, 5, and then this one's just 1, 1, it removes 1. This one's 1, 1, it removes 2. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this one first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure the mic is good. The first thing I'm gonna do is just create my my answer linked list. This is like the base thing that I do all the time. So list node answer equals new list node, and list node cur, let me put this more in front of my face so you can hear me better, equals answer. Int length equals 0, and then I don't want to do too much code though. Int pause for position. This is also going to equal 0. But position equals length minus 1. So what I'm thinking, unfortunately, is just to do while head does not equal null, then head, well, 1 length plus plus, and then head equals head dot next, just to get the length, right? So after that, I'm thinking of doing position equals length minus n minus 1, right? Also, actually, yeah, no, let's make this cur. While cur does not equal null, cur dot next equals head, and then cur equals cur dot next. There we go. And now with that, I should be able to make cur equals head again. That way it'll be at the beginning of the list. Then do while, basically this loop again, right? But this might be like this probably is very inefficient, but I'm just trying to see if I can get it to work and worry about efficiency later. So while cur does not equal null again, we're not doing length plus plus because we already have the length, but we're doing if, actually, cur equals cur dot next, actually cur dot next equals head, cur equals cur dot next. Oh my god, I also forgot to do head equals head dot next. Okay, so basically I should do this node, I don't know, previous equals head, and then after this make, and then I'd have head equals prev. So I should probably reverse these. Really, cur could equal prev, but whatever. Should probably make length equal 0 again after that. Then cur just equals cur dot next. Otherwise, cur dot next equals head, right? Equals head, and cur equals cur dot next, and head equals head dot next. Actually, same for this one too. That should go in the if statement. We're just skipping. We're just gonna skip it, right? I'm hoping this works. Don't know. I never really get lucky on the first try, but now since we just rewrote her, we should be able to do return ants.next, hopefully. Where am I missing a semicolon? I'm missing a semicolon somewhere here. Okay, I'm running it. I have length plus plus and not len plus plus, making small mistakes. I'm like really nervous for some reason. Okay. Okay, so I actually got it to run, but I'm still getting some errors. Well, I'm getting an error, not some errors. So I'm going through this whole thing again, and we have Position equals length minus 1, and then length equals 0. Okay, so there should be like 5 minus 1, for this one, and that actually should be the 4. So then we go into this while loop. While head does not equal null, because I am setting it to the original head again and then setting this back to answer. So while head does not equal null, okay, if length equals position. So if length, because length is 0, does not equal 4. I'm sorry, if it equals 4, then we're skipping it, right? Head equals head dot next. Cur stays the same. Length plus plus, right? So that head does not equal position anymore. Then we go into this cur. Well, actually outside of the cur equals head. Cur dot next equals head. And then cur equals cur dot next, and head equals head dot next. I don't think I need that. Maybe I do need that, because if it doesn't go into this if statement, it's just going to be running for a very long time. But it seems right. I don't know where I'm getting this wrong. So I'm just going to start this over. So while head does not equal null, head equals head dot next, head plus plus, right? And this should just kind of go through it and just print out something wrong. Definitely something wrong. Yeah. Okay, so it is length minus n, not length equals n minus 1. So this one works for that one, but now I'm failing on these two. Okay, so I got it to pass, and I'm going to explain how this code works. 40 minutes of editing, by the way. So solution equals, well, okay, we're skipping that part. But yeah, I have my basic stuff here. I'm creating a new linked list, which is going to be the answer, and then current is just going to be manipulating answer. But I'm creating previous to store the original head of the original head of the head list. Then I have length, which equals 0, and position, which equals 0. Right now, while head does not equal null, I'm increasing length. This is literally just to get the length. Like, I'm literally just doing this to get the length and to also copy head, like the head list, to current. That's all this is doing. So then I go into this, and position equals length minus n. So yeah, length minus n, which is going backwards, because that's what this is doing. Then we're doing length equals 0, and then head equals previous. Well, yeah, we're making length equals 0 again, because we're iterating through the list again. Then head equals the original list head, and then cur equals answer again. So we're going to be manipulating the actual answer again. But yeah, so then while head does not equal null, right, we're going to be iterating through the list. So if length does not equal position, which, yeah, while length does not equal the position, then we're just adding current. Yeah, we're just adding to current, right? And then after this is done, this runs each time. So head equals head dot next, and then length increases. Then when length equals position, we just skip adding it to current, and head equals head dot next, and then head plus plus. I mean length plus plus, and then yeah, that's how this passes. Yeah, and then it just skips the 4 and adds the 5. And then head equals null, so then it gets out. But the thing is, yeah, because this one passes, because head equals null, and then that's making current be null, right? Yes, but the problem arises when the one that needs to be removed is at the end of the list. So when yeah, at the end of the list, current is not getting added, but the last time current was updated, it wasn't null, which means that it just equals the original list, essentially. So it's like whatever it was originally, it's just going to be that, because remember, answer got manipulated already. We're remanipulating answer. So with that being said, while it's at the end of the list, cur.next equals null, which why this doesn't cancel is because cur.next already equals null. So we're just setting it to what it already is in this situation. But then in this situation, cur.next is null. Like we're just setting it to null again. So the last position is going to be null. I hope I'm making sense. I really do. And then yeah, so like this is the last position. We're just making this last position null, since the last time it got updated, it was this, and then it was just the original. Jeez, only okay. This is the last time I got updated in here, and then when it equals this, it just skips, and then this 2 stays in answer. But by doing cur.next equals null, cur.next doesn't equal the answer, it equals null, making it 1. So then when you run it, you get that, and then when you submit it, come on, oh, gotta pass. But yeah, I have this leak code page in Notion that I've been using, creating. It's just like all the, because I'm redoing it again. I didn't like what I was doing at first, but I'm just kind of redoing everything. And yeah, I'm redoing like linked lists. I'm gonna do like probably 10 linked list problems for Medium, and then move on to doing arrays. I'm probably gonna have to relearn the sorting algorithms and the searching algorithms, and maybe the methods that are on arrays already. But other than that, I should be good to kind of keep going on this. But yeah, I mean, I already started the arrays in like some sense, but just kind of want to redo them. Probably do 10 easy, 10 medium, and then just keep building onto that, keep going back and forth, because there's like a lot of easy array problems, and then move on to, you know, pretty much all the like everything, you know, breadth first search, depth first search. But yeah, now it's just kind of time for me to apply to some jobs. You know, I've been applying to all these jobs. It's not a lot. Like, this isn't all of the jobs I actually applied for. Like, I just started over. When I started, like, I still have them, but this is like I just started tracking them. So this is from when I started tracking. So I've applied to 42 jobs. I'm about to apply to 7 jobs, and then I'm about to go grocery shopping, and I'm going to cook, and I'm going to go skateboarding, and then I am going to probably record that and end the day on that. So overall, I'm feeling pretty okay. Not feeling the best. I'm probably gonna do some more leak code tonight. Not gonna record it, just kind of do it. But yeah. So, I decided to go skateboarding to, even out the staying in the house, being productive, and get, have a little bit of fun while being unemployed, and not just being in the house and always feeling like I have to do something. So yeah, I'm out here skateboarding. I'm not gonna cap. I did not stretch at all, but it's okay. I stretched earlier at the gym. I'll be okay. Maybe I need to stretch. I might be playing around a little too much. Let me stretch a little bit. Get that back leg going. Yeah. Okay. Get the right leg going. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We gotta do that. We gotta stretch out these legs. You can't just be doing tray flips with no stretch. That's how you blow out your legs. I hate getting old. I used to just be able to come to the skate park and just start shredding. I used to be really good, but age kind of caught up with me a little bit. That's why I can't tray flip right now. But let's see. Nasty. front board is not tough. Not given. I'm gonna do one lip, hoping for the best, and then we out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, I'm back home, and it's also the next day, but it was pretty okay. Kind of productive. I applied to my good amount of jobs. I'm at 50, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep applying, keep leak coding, and keep bettering myself physically and mentally, knowledge wise, and just not stressing out wise, and just keep on going until we get employed. But without further ado, thank you for staying until the end of the video. Hopefully you did stay to the end of the video, because this is a very long video. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. The link is in the description. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name is JordanCS on X. My name is JordanCS.js on Instagram. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. So thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's